Once I had finished the loft, it was time to paint the exterior of the tiny house. So I started with painting all the trim black. Next, I painted the exterior LP board gray to go with the stone siding. Once we finished painting the exterior, all we had left to do inside was put in the insulation. We put the pink chutes in the ceiling and then put in the insulation. It didn't want to stay in place. So I had to duct tape it up there, as you can see. And then we installed the vapor barrier. And then once the vapor barrier went in, oh, this is a cool morel mushroom I found. Pretty nice. Anyway, once the vapor barrier was in, we were able to put the bed in the loft, and then now it's ready to move, ready to go. So my plan was to move into the tiny house without the walls and the floor being finished or anything else, so that I could take it the 1,200 kilometers that I needed to move north and move back with my husband.